Finding the best dicing food processor can feel frustrating when you just want clean, even cubes for salsa, meal prep, or holiday salads. The best dicing food processor should give you sharp, uniform cuts, strong motor power, and an easy cleanup, especially for busy weeknights and big family dinners. I've tested different models in my own kitchen, from batch cooking to prepping game day snacks, and I've learned what truly works and what just sounds good on the box. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Moss & Stone 3-Cup Mini Food Processor. The Moss & Stone 3-Cup Mini Food Processor feels simple and practical for quick daily prep. I like how the dual speed control helps adjust texture when chopping herbs, nuts, or soft veggies. The compact size design makes it easy to store, which is helpful in small kitchens or for light everyday use. It works best for small batches like sauces, dips, or baby food. The blades are sharp enough for most soft ingredients, though harder foods need smaller cuts first. It is not meant for heavy meal prep, but for fast dicing and easy cleanup, it feels reliable and budget-friendly. Number 4. Breville Paradise 16-Cup Food Processor. The Breville Paradise 16-Cup Food Processor feels built for serious prep and precise results. I noticed right away how the precision dicing kit creates clean, even cubes, which helps food cook evenly and look better on the plate. The large bowl works well for big batches, especially when cooking for family gatherings or meal prep days. The heavy-duty motor powers through firm vegetables and dough without slowing down during longer prep sessions, which makes it feel close to the best dicing food processor for demanding kitchens. I also like the wide feed chute because it reduces pre-cutting time. That said, it is large and expensive, so it suits people who cook often and want premium performance. For home cooks who value accuracy, power, and consistency, this model delivers professional-style results with very little effort once you learn the setup. Number 3. KitchenAid 7-Cup Food Processor KFP0718. The KitchenAid 7-Cup Food Processor feels compact yet sturdy for daily kitchen prep. I like how the all-in bowl storage keeps the blades and discs inside, so nothing gets lost in a drawer. The 3-speed control settings give good control for chopping onions, slicing cucumbers, or pureeing sauces. It works well for small to medium batches, which suits many home kitchens. The snap-and-go bowl design makes setup quick, and cleanup is simple with a fast rinse. While the 300-watt motor is not the most powerful, it handles basic dicing and shredding just fine. For someone who wants the best economical food processor for dicing without paying for large capacity models, this is a practical option. It may not be ideal for heavy dough, but for everyday veggies and sauces, it feels reliable and easy to use. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Mini Chopper. The Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Mini Chopper is small, simple, and easy to use every day. I like the stack and press design because you just press the lid to chop and stop with no tricky buttons. The 350-watt motor gives enough power for onions, herbs, nuts, and quick sauces. It works well for small batches, which makes it handy for weeknight cooking or quick salsa. For soft produce, it can even feel as the best food processor to dice tomatoes when you pulse gently. The compact size fits well in small kitchens or apartments, which many U.S. homes appreciate. Cleanup is easy since the parts go in the dishwasher. The only limit is the 3-cup capacity, so it is not ideal for big meal prep. Still, for fast dicing and mincing, it gets the job done. Number 1. Cuisinart 14-Cup Stainless Steel Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-Cup Stainless Steel Food Processor feels solid and dependable from the first use. I like how the 720-watt motor power handles firm vegetables and dough without slowing down during longer prep sessions, which makes the large capacity work well when making salsa, chopped salads, or meal prep for busy weeks, which makes it the best food processor for dicing in real kitchen use. The large feed tube saves time because you spend less time cutting ingredients before processing. Controls stay simple and results come out even with very little effort. I also appreciate the sturdy build, which feels made for long-term use in many U.S. home kitchens. The only downside is that slicing and shredding thickness cannot be adjusted. Still, it delivers consistent performance and makes daily chopping and dicing feel easy and reliable. Final verdict: If you want reliability, strong performance, and consistent results, I personally recommend the Cuisinart 14-cup stainless steel food processor as the best overall pick. It handles large batches with ease, feels durable, and works well for everyday dicing, slicing, and dough prep. For smaller kitchens or lighter tasks, the Hamilton Beach 3-cup mini chopper is a great choice, especially if you want something budget-friendly and simple for quick prep jobs. At the end of the day, the best food processor depends on how you cook and how much capacity you need. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the food processor that fits your style and need best.